Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Euphoria makeup, a style that's all about bold color, sparkle, and pure creativity. This isn't just makeup, it's storytelling on your face, using glitter and color to express your unique personality. Imagine your eyelids as tiny canvases, ready for a burst of shimmer and vibrant hues. The Euphoria look breaks all the rules. Soft, dreamy glitter meets sharp, confident lines. Picture this tutorial in a playful claymation world, with tiny clay hands patting on glitter and painting bold lines. We'll cover everything, picking products, applying them for maximum impact, and making the look your own. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's inspiration here for everyone. So grab your brushes, open your mind to color and sparkle, and let's create something iconic together. This is your moment to shine, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. At the heart of Euphoria makeup are two stars, soft glitter and bold colors. Soft glitter is like a delicate veil of fairy dust, fine, light-reflecting, and dreamy. It adds a magical, wet-look shimmer that makes your eyes sparkle from within. Bold colors, think electric blues, neon greens, and hot pinks, bring confidence and edge. These shades are used for graphic shapes, dramatic wings, floating creases, or abstract designs. The magic happens when soft glitter and bold color combine. Gentle shimmer softens the strong lines, while vibrant hues give structure to the sparkle. It's a perfect balance, gentle and fierce, fantasy and power. Think of glitter as the melody and bold color as the beat. You need both for a show-stopping look. This harmony lets you play with endless textures and finishes. Euphoria makeup is a dream you can wear. Expressive, creative, and totally you. Now for the fun part, choosing your products. Go for eyeshadow palettes with bright, pigmented shades that make you feel something. Water-activated liners are perfect for sharp, graphic lines and pair beautifully with glitter. For glitter, pick finely milled, cosmetic-grade options. Think loose pigments, liquid glitters, or pressed shimmers with an iridescent shift. Always use a good glitter glue or sticky primer to keep everything in place. When picking colors, try complementary shades for high impact, or go monochromatic for a cohesive vibe. Swatch combinations on your hand to see what excites you. Essential tools: a flat brush for glitter, a fine liner brush for details, and fluffy brushes for blending. The right tools make application smooth and let your creativity shine. Remember, safety first. Always use eye-safe products. With the right colors and tools, you're ready to create your Euphoria masterpiece. Let's bring our claymation fantasy to life with a step-by-step Euphoria look. Start by priming your eyelids for vibrant color and long-lasting wear. Sweep a neutral shadow over the lid to set the base. Tap glitter glue onto the center of your lid, then press on fine glitter for a dreamy shimmer. Next, grab your water-activated liner and create a bold graphic shape. Classic wing or floating crease, your choice. Take your time. Slow, steady strokes make all the difference. The contrast of bold color against soft glitter is pure Euphoria magic. Finish with mascara and, if you like, add wispy lashes for extra drama. For a final touch, pop on a few tiny rhinestones at the corners of your eyes. Each step is about layering creativity, glitter, color, and playful details. Don't worry about perfection. Embrace the process and have fun. When you're done, you'll have a look that's uniquely yours. That's the Euphoria spirit: artistry, confidence, and a little bit of sparkle. Euphoria makeup is all about balance, making bold and soft elements work together. Blend bold shadows with a fluffy brush for seamless gradients and a polished finish. Decide where you want the focus. If your eyes are dramatic, keep the rest of your makeup soft and dewy. Use sheer foundation, natural blush, and a glossy or nude lip to let your eyes shine. Play with texture, matte liner, shimmer glitter, glossy lips, for depth and interest. Don't overdo it. A mix of finishes feels modern and thoughtful. Experiment with placement, maybe bold color on the lower lash line, glitter on the lid, or vice versa. There are no strict rules, just what makes you feel confident and creative. Take photos, try new combos, and find your perfect balance. The best look is the one that makes you say, "Wow, I love this." Euphoria makeup is more than a trend, it's a tool for self-expression. Your color choices, shapes, and sparkle reflect your mood and personality. Feeling bold? Go neon. Feeling dreamy? Go iridescent. Makeup is your visual diary, a way to show the world who you are. The creative process can be therapeutic and boost your confidence. There's no right or wrong, just what feels authentic to you. Adapt the look to your style, whether that's subtle shimmer or full-on holographic sparkle. When you wear a look that feels like you, it changes how you carry yourself. So go ahead, express yourself and let your creativity shine. If you're intimidated, don't be. Start small. Add a pop of color or a touch of glitter to your usual look. Try one element at a time. Practice graphic liner one day. Experiment with glitter placement the next. Practice on your hand to get comfortable with brushes and products. Mistakes are part of the process. Sometimes they lead to the coolest looks. Makeup is temporary, so play, experiment, and discover new ideas. There are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Open that colorful palette, dust off your glitter, and just have fun. Put on your favorite music and let your creativity flow. This is your invitation to be bold and express every sparkling facet of your personality. I can't wait to see the dreamy, powerful looks you create. Remember, makeup is about fun, so go shine bright, sisters.